Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that we are doing chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor, right? So in today's session, we are going to do from page number 96. The topic is common factors, which is very much familiar to you all. Common factors, right? Write the factors of 25 in the red circle here and the factors of 35 in the blue circle. Now you remember in our last class we have done about the multiples. We also have talked about factors, concept of factors in maths tape, right? So we will be using the concept of that here. Okay, so write the factors of 25 in the red circle and the factors of 35 in the blue circle. Which are the factors you have written in the common part, that is in the purple part here of the both circle? These are common factors of 25 and 35. Now write the factors of 45 in the red circle and 60. So this will be the next question. First of all, we are going to solve this part. Okay, so let us write the factors of 25. So the factors of 25 I am writing here will be, the factors mean the number which can divide 5. 1 of course, then 5 and the number itself, that is 25, right? Next, factors of 35. The factors of 35 will be 1 itself, 1 first of all, then comes 5, then 7 can divide, then because 5 7 is 35 and 7 5 is 35, and directly we have is 35 number itself, number 35 itself. Now from here they have asked us, so let me write the factors of 25. The factors of the 25 will be 1, 5 and 25. And what are the factors of 35? The factors of 35 will be 1, 5, 7 and 35, the number itself. Now you have to write what numbers or which are the factors you have written in the common part. So what number you can see? The only 5 is the number which is common in both the numbers, that is 5. So let us write 5 over here. That means the number the factors whichever we have written in the purple part is considered as common factor. Common factor means this factor is present in both the number, that is in 25 and 35 itself. Okay, so here we can say that 5 is a common factor of 25 and 35. Similarly, now the next question you can see here. Now write the factors of 40 in the red circle and 60 in the blue circle. Here we have to do it. Okay, what are the factors written in the common purple part of the circle, which is the biggest common factors of 40 and 60? So in order to solve this, we have to write the factors of 40 first. What are the factors of 40? That we need to write. Okay, so of course 1 is the first factor, then 2 is the second factor because 2 20s are 40, 3 cannot divide, so 4 can divide, 4 10s are 40, then 5 can divide because 5 8s are 40, then 6 cannot divide, 7 cannot divide, 8 can divide because 8 5s are 40, then we have is 9 cannot divide, 10 can divide, yes, then we have is 11 cannot divide, 12 cannot divide, 13 cannot divide, 14 cannot divide, 15 cannot divide. So directly we will be getting what? 2 20s, isn't it? Then is there any other number which can divide? No, there is no other number, so directly it is 40. So what are the factors of 40? 1 2 4 5 8 10 20 and 24. Now let us write the factors of 60. Factors of 60 will be, of course, the 1 itself, 2 30s are 60, then 3 20s are 60, 4 15s is 60, 4 5s are 20, 4 5 6, yes, let us cross check it, 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4 5 6, 60 is absolutely divided by 4. So then I can write 4 here. 5 can divide 12 is 60, then sorry, here I forgot to write 5. So 5 12 is 60, 6 10 is 60, 7 cannot divide, 8 cannot divide, 9 cannot divide, so 10 directly can divide, yes, then 12 can divide, 13 14 can divide, 15 can divide, sorry, 14 can't divide, 15 can divide, 16 can't divide, 17 can't divide, 4 15 are 3 20s are then 2 30s are directly, then it is directly 60. Okay, so this is the factors of 60. Now you have to write what, so if there is a place, if you can accommodate, you can write all these factors over here in the red part, and you can write all these factors of 60 in this green blue part. Okay, so this will be, you'll be writing the factors of 40 here, you'll be writing the factors of 60 here. Now whatever is the common among these two, okay, let me erase this part. So whatever is the common among these two, suppose here 2 is the common thing, 2 is the common factor, 4 is the common factor, right? 4 is the common factor, 5 is the common factor, then 10 is a common factor, yes, absolutely, then 20 is a common factor. Okay, all right, is there any other number which is common beside this? No. So the common factors which we are going to write will be in the purple part is 2 4 5 10, yes, then 20. Okay, so these are the common factors of 40 and 60. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. So your only work is to write down the common factors, that is 2 4 5 10 and 20 in this purple region. Okay, so very easy thing. I hope you guys understood it. Let us proceed to the next one. The next question you are going to find in page number 97, that is in the next page. The topic is factor tree. Very interesting, very nice topic. Look at the factor tree. Okay, look, this is a tree, branches of a factor. That's why the name is factor tree. Now can you make another tree like this? Can you make another tree of a 18? Yes, we can. Why not? So if they have used 9 into 2, I can use 3 into 6 here. 3 6 sorry, 6 3 is a, why I am raising 3, because 3 doesn't have any other factor except 1 into 3, so I cannot distribute that. But 6 can be divided into 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6. So yes, this is the another factor tree for 18. You can have variety of the factor tree. It's not like that you are taking one problem, one factor, and that is the final one, or that will be the final tree for this. Okay, so you have variety of option. Let us proceed to the next one. In how many ways can you draw a factor tree for 24? So varieties of ways I have already told you. So draw 3 of them below. You have to draw. So whenever you are making a factor tree, the number which you are distributing, the number of which you are finding a factor, must be divided into 2 branches at first. You know this, right? So, and it is similar to that of prime factorization method which we did in our previous class, that is in class 4 also. We have done this. So if you are breaking this, you can write 2 into 12. All right, so this is the first method I am using. So 2 into 12 can be done here. 2 into 12. All right, now 2 cannot be divided because 2 is in its prime form, but 12 can be divided in its prime form, that is 2 into 6, because 2 is a composite number. The number which has got more than 2 factor is composite number. The number which has got only 2 factor, say for 1 and 2, is a prime number. You know this, right? So 6 can be divided into 2 factor, that is, sorry, here 2 and 6. Now once more, this 6 can be divided, that is in the form of 2 into 3. Until and unless you get the prime number, you have to go for the further division. So 6 I can divide it like this, 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6. This manner we have to do it. Okay, so let me write it in a clear manner. 2 into 3. So this is the way of doing it. All right, so this is the first way. Now they have asked us to find the factor tree with different methods. So next time doing this one will be a home assignment. Okay, next 2 12s I have used. Now I'll be using Here let me choose 3 because 3 can divide. You will choose the number which can divide this number. So 3 8s are 24 is the number. Yes, why not? 3 into 8 is the number. Now 8 has to be divided, that is it can be divided into 2 into 4. So let us write here 2 into 4. Yes, we can do this. Now again you can see 2 is in prime form, so but 4 can be divided into its prime form, that is by 2 into 2. Now 2 both are in prime form, so no further division can take place. Now yes, we can write here 4 can be divided into 2 and 2 like this. Okay, so this is another way. Just have a look. We got the factor tree of 24 only in different way. So there are varieties of ways I have already told you. The next method to find is your job. Your job it is. So I request you all to do it yourself. Okay. Now next, try drawing the factor tree using other number also. Suppose I'm giving you this as a home assignment. We have found for 24, we have found for 18. Now your work is to find the factor tree of 32 and 54. This too will be a home assignment. Comment me down what are the factor tree you are getting. Alright student, so this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.